When we hear The Rock, most of us automatically think of the former popular professional wrestler, actor, and now businessman, Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Being one of the most hardworking men in Hollywood, he has filmed over 41 movies in a span of 20 years. Not to mention he has had many television appearances, interviews, commercials, and brand deals. But what does it actually feel like to be living The Rock's life? This is Lux Cove, and in this segment we will be looking at Dwayne Johnson and how he manages his busy lifestyle while being able to maintain a number of million-dollar houses that he owns, while continuing to have his superstar career. Before we take a tour inside The Rock's mansions, make sure to hit that like button, click subscribe, and tap on the notification bell to get more updates on the best luxurious video contents. Let's get right into it. According to Forbes back in 2018, The Rock has reportedly become the highest paid actor, with his assets amounting to $124 million in a span of 1 year. He makes about $20 million per movie, and as of 2020, his wealth has doubled to over $220 million. With all the wealth that this former wrestler and actor has been collecting over the years, it is not a surprise that Dwayne The Rock Johnson has been living like a king. The actor spends millions of dollars on luxurious properties all over the United States. Johnson's intention is not to live in all of these elaborate properties, but to capitalize on being savvy in the real estate game. The Rock has definitely lived in the most expensive and incredible houses known to man. Let's take a look inside his million-dollar mansions, which are soon going to be worth billions of dollars. One fun fact about this former ring superstar is that he is utterly fascinated by horses just as much as he loves working on his physique and driving luxury vehicles. His hobby of taking care of horses urged him to recently purchase this wide green ranch in Powder Springs, Georgia, that hit his pocket for about $9.5 million. As reported by TMZ, Dwayne Johnson apparently paid this ranch full price in cash. The 46-acre French country manor includes a stall barn that has its own restored farmhouse, which was reportedly established in 1867. The beautiful wide ranch is surrounded by green hills and a lush field. The many acres gives the actor and his entire family enough privacy, especially when they want to get away from the life of fame and glamour back in Hollywood. The ranch consists of a mansion in the middle, and inside the main dwelling is a space that houses 8 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and 3 extra half baths. This mansion is also the perfect example of a rustic luxury home. It has stone fireplaces, and the interior is painted with an earth-toned natural shade as the base color. Best believe this mansion also has room for their hobbies, such as a music room with a gorgeous grand piano that sits in the middle, and a room that has been made into a full library. Behind the mansion lies an amazing pool area, complete with a hot tub jacuzzi, an outdoor grill, and an outdoor living room, with a fire pit for when The Rock wants to relax with his loved ones. But did you know that this mansion in Georgia isn't his only ranch? He has a secret farm located in Virginia, with a price being a mystery to the public. This is also where he keeps another batch of his horses. One of his favorite details about this secret ranch are the trails located just around the fields where he is trained by Olympic equestrian Will Coleman. Dwayne Johnson even posted a photo of himself with his 2 lovely horses on his property in Virginia back in 2019, sending a message to his fans all over the world that this secret hideout of his has quietly won his heart and became one of his favorite homes to stay in. The Rock seems to be a quiet country guy, but his properties say otherwise. He is said to have over 10 houses all around the states, most of them ranging between $1 and $3 million. One of the former pro wrestlers' favorite places to stay was located in Florida. Back in 2012, he bought this humble 5-bedroom, 7-bath Southwest ranch for about $3.4 million. This Florida mansion spans across 13,000 square feet and includes loads of amenities that keep the Johnson family occupied during their stay in this lovely home. This sanctuary has everything from a home theater, an office, and grand swimming pool, all the way to bathrooms that look just like they were meant to be for royalty. There are also speculations that this house has its very own personal barber salon, so that The Rock and the rest of his family members never had to step foot outside the villa whenever they want some personal grooming. However, since what The Rock does is mostly refurbish and resell his properties, just a year later, after he had renovated the house to include a professional gym with private quarters for a personal trainer, he then resold the beloved property to the next lucky owner. Johnson has another property in Florida that cost him over $4.5 million. This second Florida house is another ranch-themed property which the actor bought in the middle of its development. It is a 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom home that has 2 garages that could fit 3 cars each. Of course, this house wouldn't be complete without a fully stocked outdoor kitchen, perfect for family gatherings and celebrations. Like his other ranches, this lot is gated with maximum security for his privacy and protection. The home also has a rustic look like the rest of his existing houses and has cathedral ceilings that provide a spacious and grandiose look throughout the home. Since The Rock is also a famous Hollywood star, it is self-explanatory that he would need a place to stay near the area when he's working, which is why he bought a $5 million property in Hidden Hills. It features a wide outdoor space that is perfect for parties with his co-star A-list celebrities, and it even has The Rock's signature professional at-home gym that he had installed himself. This house in Hidden Hills is probably the most extravagant property that he owns and is a perfect example of what a celebrity's house looks like, complete with white pillars and high-reaching ceilings. The home screams luxury. It has a giant owner's suite and has multiple spacious garages that keep his luxury cars in mint condition. We can't forget to include his recreational amenities such as his luxury jacuzzi and his personal home theater. This theater puts even the most exclusive theaters to shame. The actor ended up putting this house up for sale as well and getting the same price that he paid for it. Reports state that aside from his properties in Georgia, Florida, Virginia, and Hidden Hills, The Rock has a villa that's located somewhere in California, including a couple of condos just in case he gets summoned to work. While filming Hobbs & Shaw in London, The Rock made sure he still lived in extravagance, even overseas. He lived in a house in London that has a pop-up gym that he calls the Iron Paradise, installed on the property. He also brought the pop-up gym to other places such as Vancouver, where he recorded himself gazing at the beauty of the city view from a luxury apartment. This London mansion has 9 bedrooms, 1 in-home cinema, 2 swimming pools, and another home theater. The Rock was able to stay fit during his overseas stay thanks to the pool, as well as the tennis court located inside and outside the luxury mansion. The Iron Paradise Pop Gym was placed in the backyard garden and has over 40,000 points of gym equipment, enough to keep The Rock prepped up for his daily 5 a.m. workout. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson has spent over $100 million of his wealth into real estate properties, but guaranteed that's not where all his money goes. He also spends money in his other interests like filling the driveways with a handful of top-end luxury vehicles such as the Rolls-Royce Wraith, which cost him about $400,000. This guy sure is big time. After looking at some of The Rock's incredible mansions, which of these properties would you like to live in? And what are your favorite features of the home? Tell us all about your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our humble channel. Be part of the Lux Cove family, and we'll see you on our next video.